Hey there, I'm Heather Roberts from 1852 Media, also owner of 1852 Literary and the Publishing Store. And before you throw another dollar at Facebook, Amazon, or TikTok ads trying to sell your book, I need you to hear this. Most authors skip the most important question in advertising. What's the actual goal of your ad? And no, sell more books isn't enough. You might be trying to grow your email list, get reviews, push book one of a series to drive read through, reignite a backlist title, or retarget cold traffic who's seen your name before. Each of these goals has different ad platforms, different creatives, different targeting, and different metrics for success. An ad meant to build your newsletter list will not look the same or perform the same as one meant to convert warm readers into sales. If you don't know your goal, how can your ad succeed? Let's get honest for a second. No ad in the world can fix a weak cover, a confusing blurb, or a hook that doesn't land. Running ads without a strong product package is like pouring water into a bucket with holes in it. If your click through rate is terrible, if your cost per click is skyrocketing, it's probably not your targeting, it's your book presentation. One of our clients doubled her income in a month, not because we changed her ads, but because we fixed her brand and blurb first. Here's another truth: ads are not magic, they're data. Every successful campaign starts with testing. Multiple versions of your creative, different audiences, split testing blurbs or cover tweaks, and giving the algorithm enough time to optimize. You can't just set it and forget it. You have to look at the data, adjust, and retest. This is where most indie authors get overwhelmed, and where a strategic approach saves you money and builds long term sales. You don't need to run ads on every platform. Facebook and Instagram is great for warm audience retargeting and building lists. Amazon is ideal for nudging readers already in a book buying mindset. BookBub helps keep you visible to genre specific readers. And TikTok ads, they only work if your brand already fits the platform. In advertising strategies for authors, I walk through all of these: what works, what doesn't, and how to build a system that doesn't require you to babysit your ad account daily. Because your goal as an author isn't just to run ads, it's to sell books sustainably. So if you're tired of wasting money on ads that don't convert, or you're ready to scale up with strategy instead of guesswork, my course is the best place to start. It's part of our Publishing for Profit bundle, and it's helped authors like you 2 times, 4 times, even 10 times their results. Check the link in the description. Let's make your ads finally work for you, not against you.